I'm on page 161 of your Osborne book, formatting the spreadsheet data stage 3. In this stage, we're going to look at headers and footers. I'm going to show you how to do it on your PC, and then I'm going to show you how to do it using the file setup way. So we want to enter a header and footer, and to do that, you'll go into Insert and then Header and Footer, which is here. The only thing you need to remember is when you're doing headers and footers, you're on the Header and Footer tab. Here we want the date, so I'm just going to quickly talk you through some of these icons. This one here is number page or page number. This one here is numbers of pages. This is the date, the time, the file path, which will tell you exactly where you saved it within your computer. The file name, which is the name here, T2 exercise 3. The sheet name, which is down here at the tab, invoice 201, and if you want to insert a picture, you'd click there. So I'm just going to show you, if I wanted to insert the date, I click on date. It doesn't look like the date, but it's actually a formula which produces the date. So when I click off, you'll see the date appear. Go back to header and footer and we'll click on the sheet. Now it's telling me that in the footer it wants me to type pages of, so I'm going to click in footer, making sure I'm on the ribbon. To do the footer, I want pages, space of, and then pages, and you'll see that it's another formula, but when I click off it will tell me it's one of two because I'm on 2 pages. If I do it the way the book is saying, I'd have to go to File and Page Setup. Page setup will look like this. The first one is your page, so do you want it portrait or landscape? Here is if I want to increase how many pages it goes across, or if I want to fit it to 1 page. Margins is if I want to adjust the actual margins of the page. You also have a header and footer function, but you'll see it's laid out differently. So if I click custom header, the icons are there. I don't need to worry about the ribbon. Same with the footer. Custom footer, it's there. And then the sheet is basically what you want to do with the sheet. We've been asked within our settings to basically change it to landscape. So if I go to page, click on landscape, click OK, you'll see the orientation has now changed. If I want, and it's all fitting on 1 page. If I change it back to portrait, which I could do from page layout, drop down and portrait, or the way the book's saying, file, page setup, and click portrait. You'll notice that it's gone back to 2 pages. If I want to fit all the columns on 1 page, then I would go to File, Page Setup and select Fit to 1. I want to remove the footer, so I'm going to click on footer. I'm going to go to custom footer and take what's out there. When I'm done, click OK, and you'll see that there's nothing there now. I want to put it in header, so I'm going to click in header, and I want it in the middle section, but I only want it as a page, not pages of. So I'm going to click on the first page. When I click OK and then OK, I have now finished this activity.